Okay guys, I'm making this video so that you should understand this thing, that trading is not for everyone. Trading is most difficult thing that you can ever enter into. It is one of those things which will haunt you forever in your life. I know traders who have lost such big amount of money that they could have bought mansions, multi-millions of dollars. I know traders who are middle class, but they have lost $500,000 or $1 million on trading. So I have to be harsh with you guys. I have to tell you the truth because I cannot be like other guys who portray trading as easy. Trading is going to bite your behind. You have to be very careful. You have to be very, clever who you listen to. Do you think just because Silicon Valley Bank was collapsing and you were shorting the bottom, which was a top as far as news was concerned, because all the banks were collapsing, there was a contagion going on. So was that a wise decision that you guys did? Now you will say, oh, I did not short. Why in your videos you say that you shorted bottom? Because I'm addressing to the majority of the people. I address to the majority of the audience or the people who contact me on WhatsApp. Almost everyone is short from the bottom still. Many of them are still keeping their shorts, hoping for a correction. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, do you think correction is going to come? Do you think we will allow those guys to get scot-free? You have to answer this question honestly by your own self. You have to think and you have to decipher this algorithm by your own self, that just because a bigger correction should come, why should it come? And who is giving you this information that bigger correction should come? Are those the same guys who told you to short the bottom when Silicon Valley Bank collapsed? Are those the same guys who asked you to short 4380 because there was a coup in Russia? I mean, it's about time. It's about time you guys correct yourself. You cannot be successful if you're trading by listening to the news. Those who are in my group, they know I never talk about news. And if you have been following my videos for the last 2-3 months, you know I never even for one day talked about news. I never talked about Federal Reserve. I never talked about interest rate. I never talked about Jerome Powell. I never talked about inflation data. I never talked about FOMC data. I never talked about unemployment data. I never talked about anything. Every day I come and I tell you what's gonna happen, and it happens. So either the news trader are correct or I am correct. But if you look at the news trader, you will see all of them are losers. You won't find a single trader making money. There are hundreds of analysts on YouTube. They're every day, I keep an eye on everything. I watch their videos. All of those idiots, every day they're talking about news, FOMC, this, if FOMC data will come like this, then stock market will go up. If it will come down like this, it will go down. What nonsense is this, guys? Stock market doesn't work like this. So if you want to remain my subscriber, if you want to remain my viewer, you have to, mend your ways. You have to see what I'm doing. You have to see. I never talk about news. And then you have to follow the same mindset. You have to follow the same principles. You have to follow the same discipline. Those guys who have joined my group, I have given them such great indicators that they are doing all the work. Now they just have to show the patience. But sometimes because they are human, even their patience is lacking. So I have to keep reminding them that you need to remain patient and respect the indicators, respect what the algo is saying. But on the other hand, there are guys like in my yesterday's video, Nathan Perry, lesson learned. I mean, who's learning the lesson, guys? Just because 4,400 support broke, I learned the lesson. No, you guys are learning the lesson, guys. So this is a rule. Whoever is telling you that trading is easy is a liar. Trading is not easy. It's very difficult. And if you are a new trader, the odds are against you. If you are a trader who has been trading for less than 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, odds are against you. There is a greater chance, in fact, there is a 90% chance that you will blow your account. Unless or until you get a good mentor. Unless or until you have somebody to, put you in discipline. Otherwise, you guys are done. I've been trading for so long, for more than half a decade now. When I talk to a trader, I can smell if he is a successful or not, or he will last 1 year or not. Most of the people who join my group, even in my mind, I give them maximum 1 or 2 or 3 months, because that 90% rule will also be applicable in my group also, because 90% of the traders are losers, and in my group, of course, 90% have to be losers also. So only 10% of the cream will survive, unless those 90% decide to upgrade themselves and decide to be among the 10%. I mean, you guys are working and learning to trade in my group. So this is like an investment for the future. You will pass on this knowledge to your grandchildren, to your children. They will never be dependent upon anything. This will be the road to the financial freedom. 1 minute trading is not going to get you financial freedom. Only trading opposite the generally agreed upon principles, generally agreed upon wisdom, which is common, is going to help you in getting the financial freedom. So I received lots of comments that I'm harsh. I'm not harsh. I have to be harsh. I have to project an image of being harsh, so that you guys do not think that trading is easy. Because most of the people I know, they think that they can follow my videos and they can make money. You guys cannot make money like this Theo Marcus guy. Oh, he said that in July bigger correction. He said in July correction will come. In July correction will come. So that idiot doesn't know that the correction is going on for the last 2-3 weeks. So do you think if he will follow my videos on YouTube, he would ever know the truth? My group members know the truth because they have the indicators. They can see the truth, what is going on. And also I have in my videos, I have also told you guys on YouTube that we are doing some sort of a correction and there is no big downside coming. But still, this guy is a scammer. He said July will be a correction. Come on, guys. If you are going to be my viewers, like I know you are my 300 or 400 people, just like the 300 of Sparta movie. You saw that movie? You are the warriors. You are the 300 who are following me on the YouTube. So you have to act like warriors. You have to act disciplined and you don't have to act like noobs like other people are. He said correction will be in July. You don't have to act like this. You have to be good at your analysis on your own, and you have to trade opposite the crowd. Otherwise, following my channel will not help you. If you've been following me, you would see that I am trading against the crowd. So the purpose of making this video is to tell you guys that I'm not harsh. I have to project harshness so that you guys don't lose money. Because there's a tendency in the YouTube and on Google and on Instagram and on Twitter to project trading as easy. Trading is not easy. Show me a trader who became successful inside 1 or 2 year or 3 year. Then I'm willing to give you anything. I believe that I'm above average intelligent guy. Even it took me many years to become profitable. So how can a common Joe become profitable inside 1 year? How can an employee who is already doing a full-time employment can come and ask for buy sell signal and become profitable? That employee will end up losing his savings. So I have to project harshness to him. I have to tell him the truth that you are going to be a loser, if not a loser yet. So I hope you understand my intention, and I hope you take the right decision. Thank you very much. I will end the video here.